In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download videos from Safari browser to your iPhone's photo gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to open up Safari and then just head over to some website that allows you to download videos. Today I'm gonna use pixabay.com. This website allows us to download some footage videos for free. We can select videos here and then we can scroll down until we find a video we would like to download. Once we find the video, we need to tap on it. And that's where at the very top we can easily find download button. We need to tap at that button. It allows us to select different video file quality. Keep in mind that the higher is a resolution, the higher would be the quality and the size of video file. I'm gonna choose that option and hit add download. Then after a couple of seconds it will show me this window that allows me to download this video file on my iPhone. All I have to do is just tap at download and it will immediately start downloading this video file on my device. We can check the downloading process or progress by that button, and if it is highlighted with blue color, it means that the file is already downloaded. However, now it is not saved in our camera roll. If you want just to quickly save it to your photos gallery, you need to tap right here at that arrow, tap at downloads. It will show you that file here. You need to tap on it to play it. Then tap at share and then select save video. That will immediately save this video file to your photos gallery, and that's where we can easily find it. However, basically the file has also been saved to my iPhone's internal storage, and now we can easily find it using Files app. We just need to open it up and then head over to Downloads folder where we can easily find the same file. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.